Oh, hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to the presentation of our bilingual master in civil engineering. My name is 𝘱𝘢𝘳𝘵, as Nino has already mentioned, and I am the international coordinator and the staff member of the Office of Student Affairs at the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Technical University of Darmstadt. With me today is Ali, a student in his first semester of the program. You are welcome to use the chat for questions during the presentation, but of course there will be some time for questions after the presentation as well. Okay, then let's start with the presentation of our bilingual master in civil engineering. First of all, to give you just a short idea about the context for your studies, I would like to give you some facts about our department. The department consists of 27 chairs and has a very interdisciplinary character. It covers the fields of civil engineering, environmental engineering, and of geodesy. Its 13 institutes are occupied with the topics construction, planning, and water, to cluster them roughly. You will find these topics represented in the research subjects of the civil engineering master program. At TU Darmstadt as a whole, there are currently about 25,000 students enrolled, and about 1,800 of them study at the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. About 20% of the students of our department have an international background. And what's special about our department is our very active student body that represents our students' interests. Our department is located at the campus 𝘱𝘢𝘷𝘦𝘳𝘴𝘪𝘯𝘨, which can be translated as Meadow of Light. Most other engineering departments of TU Darmstadt are also located here. Though surrounded by forest, the campus is only 10 minutes away from the inner city by tram or bus or by bike. In the right picture, you see a very nice place to be in the summer. This is the beer garden at the campus Mensa. So far for the department and for the campus. Now we are coming to the program itself. So why should you choose our master program in civil engineering? What is specific for the program? This program was designed with the intention of giving students the greatest possible freedom of choice. So what's really special about the program is that you create your study plan largely individually and tailored to your specific interests. There's only one compulsory course, and apart from this, a wide range of courses from the various fields of civil and environmental engineering, from solid construction, mechanics, and transport to hydraulic engineering and geotechnics. In a few minutes, I will introduce the structure of the program in detail. This 4-semester full-time program is taught in English and in German, with mandatory shares of each language. Our aim is to qualify you for working in an international and interdisciplinary context. We believe that a degree in this international program is the perfect prerequisite for entering both the German and the international labor market. As you can see in the scheme, the program structure allows an individual design of your study plan, and it offers a wide range of choices. We offer 18 research subjects, out of which you choose 3, and select one of them as a specialization in the second year. The only mandatory course is the interdisciplinary project, and even in this course, students can choose from several different project offers. The scheme also shows the wide range of about 180 elective courses. You can use the electives either to further deepen your research subjects or to broaden your professional expertise. In the 4th semester, you choose the topic of your master's thesis according to your own interests. Creating your individual study plan requires a certain amount of self-organization and personal responsibility, but we won't leave you to it. Later, I will present the various contact and counseling options that we offer in the department. I would now like to give you an overview of the variety of possible research subjects that can be chosen. Here are the offered subjects in the field of construction. I won't read them all to you, but I think even a short look gives you a good impression. So far for the construction. In the field of planning, we offer 2 traffic-related subjects besides real estate valuation and environmental, spatial, and infrastructure planning. And our water-related subjects are water management, sanitary engineering, and hydraulic engineering. As this is a bilingual program, I would like to say something about the languages of instruction. The program structure provides for the basic knowledge to be taught in English language and for the in-depth knowledge, the specialized courses, to be taught in German. So, in the first year, you study predominantly in English, while in the second year, you take predominantly German-taught courses. All over, to finish your degree, it is mandatory to complete 42 credits, each in English and German. For 36 credits, you are free to choose English or German-taught courses. The master's thesis can be written either in English or in German. We require a proof of English language skills by the end of the second semester at the latest. We do not require proof of German language proficiency. But of course, German skills are essential for the program. Nevertheless, we leave it up to the students to learn the language up to the necessary level in their own responsibility. TU Darmstadt also offers free of charge language courses for our students. Within the study program, it is also possible to spend time abroad, either as an exchange student with the goal of a double or dual degree. We attach great importance to individual support. Even after admission, you will be contacted and guided by student buddies who are in their master's studies at our department and who will help you to orientate at the university, the city and the region, and at our department. They offer several workshops to give you a good start for your studies and are open to your questions. The International Student Service supports you in visa issues and in finding an accommodation, opening a bank account, or in appointments with the Foreigners Office. The Student Advisory Service helps you in creating your individual study plan and can answer subject-related questions. The Study Office team supports you in organizational issues and explains program and study-related regulations. And last but not least, in the first semester, you will be assigned a professor as mentor who will support and advise you in specific professional questions or questions about career options. To end this brief presentation, I would like to show some impressions from the teaching and research. On the left, you see a picture from an excursion to the production site of the aerated concrete block 𝘱𝘱𝘳𝑥. The picture in the middle stems from a research project in strengthening of thin sheets for use in civil engineering. And the picture on the right shows results from the interdisciplinary student project in which students planned bridges that later were printed using a 3D printer. The Deep Forest project is carried out by the Institute of Geodesy and deals with remote sensing methods for estimating the lower layers of forest vegetation. In the middle, you can see an experiment in hydraulic engineering. And the Vision Tower, as a particularly lightweight tower construction, was developed by students in constructive design. So, we hope that we have aroused your interest in our degree program and would of course be delighted if you decide to study with us. Application for summer is possible until 1st of March in 2025. On our websites, you will find all necessary information about requirements and also financing options. So much for the program presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I would be very pleased if you enjoyed this information about our program and if I may welcome you as a student at our department in one of the next semesters. And now, please feel free to ask your questions.